Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 22, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 22, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, November 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasa para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 22, 2024, Friday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, November 22, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 22, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.